And welcome back to another video. And today, this is a bird video. So, see, I'm just watching my channel right now. So yeah, look, let me just show you something, guys. Look how much views you got me. So on this video is a video about my bird video. This one, you've got me 2,187 views. In one of my videos, you got me 12,000. So thank you. I need you to get me some more views. So I'm going to sit on the couch right now. So I'm sitting on the couch, and I'm going to teleport onto the table. Okay, bye. Coming onto the chair. Okay, guys, I teleported onto the chair. See? Teleported onto the chair. I was sitting back there, but now I'm here. Okay. Anyway, let's just get straight into the video. I'm just gonna teleport Pikachu onto here. Okay. Okay. Just joking, guys. I'm actually gonna teleport him right here. So yeah. See, Pika. Say hi to the guys, Pika. Like, don't bite. Don't bite the camera, Pika. Hey, Pika, what are you doing? Hey, Pika, don't bite the volume. Oh, you can see like my little head in the background. Oh, yeah, Pika. Wanna watch my channel with me? Hey, Pika. Up. You just pushed the camera. Okay, guys. So I'm just put him there. So yeah. Okay, Pika. Time to go on there. So here's Pika. Pika, don't run away. Pika. Pika, say hi. Hey, Pika. Naughty Pika. Selfie. Nice selfie, Pika. Selfie. Pika, let me just take a selfie. Hey, Pika, don't bite the camera. What are you doing? Okay, guys, so that's going to be the end of the video. Turn my notifications on and subscribe and just watch my video, because I want another 12,000 view video and 2,187 view videos. Pikachu, you're a statue. Well, he was a statue, I swear. So like and subscribe for part 2. Bye.